Last time, nakita natin kung ano yung planong gawin ng mga Pariseo kay Jesus. Siya'y dapat ay babatuhin. At talaga namang ayaw tumigil nitong mga ito sa pag-atake sa Kanya. Kasi sa gospel natin ngayon, the Pharisees and chief priests convened, grappling with the undeniable signs of Jesus' miraculous power. Yet, instead of embracing the truth, they succumb to fear and political practicality. Ilang araw na natin naririnig yung virtue of prudence. Sinasabi natin na it is the virtue of wisely discerning and choosing the right course of action. Pero parang absent sa mga Pariseo at chief priest ito. Kasi nga sila ay consumed by self-interest and the fear of losing their positions. Masyado nilang na-overlook yung mas essential. Muli, yung gospel natin ngayon invites us to reflect on the role of prudence in our lives. Sapagkat kung isinasabuhay natin yung true prudence, nagmamanifest ito ng careful and thoughtful consideration of the moral and spiritual dimensions of our decisions. Nalalaman natin na yung mga Pariseo ay may lack of prudence, and it should serve as a warning, reminding us that when we prioritize worldly concerns over spiritual truths, we risk losing sight of the profound grace that surrounds us. Dahil hindi lang natin nararanasan yung freedom that transcends worldly constraints. Kaya naman huwag maging Pariseo bagkos magkaroon ng wise discernment to choose the right course of action. Dahil si Jesus mismo ang nag-set na example para sa atin. Ano? G ka ba?